Is this fine? Shall I move? I can use the coffee cup. Is this okay?
What makes a solution truly innovative, scalable, and impactful at Carelon?
At Carelon, innovation is a repeatable cheat code for business outcomes. If an idea is not moving from a cool to continuous, it is not an innovation. It is either an action or an activity, right? The real test of innovation is it has to be repeatable, it has to be scalable at an enterprise level. So the test is predominantly either reducing the cost, driving the experience, improving the quality, but all of it at an enterprise scale.
How can leaders drive innovation culture?
Leaders don't just talk about innovation culture, they design, they enforce, and they measure. At the forefront of the entire innovation culture, what leaders do is, A, I think they create safe spaces. B, they ensure that there is a proper follow-up of the idea itself and it's not left halfway, right? They also create a progressive collaboration platform for business and technology to come together and ensure that there are outcomes. So what do we mean by the safe spaces? Safe spaces could be like living labs, like how we have got here, living labs, and a platform that captures the ideas and makes sure that the ideas are implemented and executed.
What's your process of turning a cool idea into reality?
It's very similar to airport checks, clear labels, a quick screening, no mystery liquids. We have dovetailed our process in a similar way. We have simplified the workflows itself. It starts with ideator logging the idea. Idea is then curated, amplified, and the ideator then gets on with execution. And then once the execution is completed, we move on to value realization. But when the value realization comes in, we need to make sure that it is at the enterprise scale, right? Because at the end of the day, the scoreboard matters.
How do you decide what not to build?
My favorite innovation skill is our ability to say no politely, but with data. The real innovation is where we have clarity, discipline, and courage to say no early. What we do is we filter every idea from the lens of value, feasibility, priorities, and scalability, right? If it doesn't meet the bar, there is no soft landing. The decision is taken. The decision is to go back, refine it, reroute, or park it. For high-value ideas and strategic ones, we move fast. Else, we either refine it or shelf it.
How you define innovation in a word?
Limitless. Limitless could be limitless possibilities, limitless opportunities. But most importantly, limitless is nothing but it's a disciplined creativity with receipts.